Danny treats me very well.
Oh, I know just how to treat you. Believe me. You think I don't date a sexy muscle?
Hey, what can I do for you? Why? Don't go too crazy on this one, Wei.
Everybody.
I found one of your statues.
Oh, the dog. Excellent. Did you enjoy your time in the States?
It was all right.
To have two homes is to have two souls. So they say.
What if you never feel at home anywhere?
Then I think you must guard your soul carefully, so as not to lose it. What would you like to learn? You have studied Wuju, ancient master of defeat. Put yourself that seems impossible. You are the first student I've had by studying in California. It's time where to go. Only confidence will cure you. And in your case, that might not be enough of a thing. You are raining shame on the school. A student is supposed to learn. If I wanted to talk to my... Please, stop by again if you find one of my students.
Alright! You want to fight? You look like you might survive a couple rounds. Come on, tough guy! You got nothing to lose but your teeth. Keep winning, I keep paying.
Seriously, that's the best you can do.
This is real FM. When your PC sounds like this, and your internet connection is you need Ping's PC. Just pick up the phone and within 24 hours we'll have it up and running. And delivered right back to your door. Ping's PC. Computer repair made easy PC.
Hey dear, looking to treat yourself? I can give you more than you can imagine.
Might as well try everything once, right?
I've been a bad girl today, Wei. I may need to be disciplined. I may just have to find a new job. You know what they say about coming with the customers.
You okay?
No, I'm in big trouble. I really need your help, please.
What's wrong?
It's this.
A gun.
Yes. Charlie made me carry it in my purse for him. He didn't want the cops to find it, so he made me take it. And now he's gone, and I don't know what to do with it.
Charlie. He's one of Dog Eye's people, right?
Yes, and you took over, right? So in a way, the gun is yours too. You'll take it, won't you?
Sure, I'll take it. That's it? That's your big problem.
Yes. Thank you so much, Wei. I knew I was right to trust you.
Don't worry, Tiffany. I'll take care of it.
Thanks, Wei. You're the greatest.
Hello?
Raymond, I got something.
What is it?
Something from ballistics. A weapon belonging to one of Dog Eye's men. You know Charlie Peng.
Wait, how did you get Charlie Peng's gun?
Never mind. Can you use it?
All right, meet me. I'm on my way.
take it.
Come back soon. Phát雞盲啊你！
睇住先得㗎。
Andrew? What are you doing here? Where's Raymond?
This is something I wanted to handle personally, Wei. Do you have Charlie Pang's gun?
Yeah.
I'm sure you've noticed that guns are something of a rarity in Hong Kong. Not like in the States. This particular gun is quite important.
So who's the dead guy?
I was hoping you'd help me with that, actually. Officer Shen, take up a firing position. Okay, you ready? All right, listen. It's simple. We'll have to recreate the fight.
Hang on, let's just talk about this.
Fuck you!
Let's go!
Damn it!
埋佢打啦！
First, he was in cover behind the barricade. Get down behind that barrier. Good. I want you to put some bullets in a few things. All right, good. By now, the van must have appeared on the scene. Then he must have run to over there. Shooting at the guys over there. There was a shooter, firing shots from the passenger window. But he couldn't get a clean shot, so he pushed through. Keep going. Come on. What are you waiting for? One more thing. He would have tried to get it, but Charlie disabled the car. Your weapon, officer. Good firing, Wei.
Pendulum! What are you doing?
I told you he wasn't important. Now he is. He's going to help us nail Charlie Pang. It's for the greater good, Wei. You understand?
I don't think I do, sir.
Wei, I know who you are. You're just like me. You do what must be done. Local PD is on their way. You should go.
You doing anything later?
Wei, hi. I was going to go see Magistrate Park. You want to come along?
Yeah, cool. See you in a bit. Meet me at Victoria Peak.
Yeah, that'd be fun. See you, Wei.
Would you like to improve your... A reasonable choice. I'm so pleased you found something. Would you like to improve your look? We're happy to serve you. We're happy to serve you. I'm so pleased you found something. My humble shop thanks you for your incredible business.
Takes guts to wear that.